Hi guys, it's me Ronan and welcome back to my channel! Hi Mary! Hi nerds! How you guys doing? Kamusta naman yung araw ninyo? Kamusta naman yung week ninyo? Okay naman ba? Well anyway, live update guys. So actually kagagaling lang namin ng charity work. So ano ba yan? Pumunta kami dun sa Philippines Children Hospital dun sa Quezon City. Nag-charity works kami doon. So yun, namigay kami doon and na-appreciate naman ng mga kids. So makita mo lang yung mga ngiti dun sa mga bata at makita mo lang yung nag-light up yung mata nila. Talagang nakakatuwa, nakakataba ng puso. It's very, very humbling, the experience. And I encourage you guys, so if ever na, let's say, instead of, well, kayo na bahala, instead of na mag-waldas tayo, no? Every birthday that we have, why not share na lang to them? But anyway, kanya-kanya naman yan. But, you know, being part of that, parang charity works, konti lang naman kami, but I'm grateful that they invited me. So, yun. Nakaka-touch. And I'm just grateful and thankful. By the way, guys, I just want to say thank you sa lahat ng mga subscriber natin, sa lahat ng mga nag-message sa akin. I know yung last na video, it's naging seryoso tayo, no? But it's very, very essential to share the experience, and I'm grateful and I'm thankful at this time. Meron namang na naka-relate dun sa topic ko na yon at sa video ko na yon. And for all of you who messages me, thank you so much sa mga messages ninyo. By the way, I just want to say hi sa subscriber natin si Yvonne. Yvonne, I'm happy for you, nakapagpa-check up ka na and natingnan na ng doctors yung na-evaluate ka na ng doctors, nabigyan ka na ng tamang meds. So this is what I'm talking about guys, na wag tayong mag-self-medicate. And pag hindi na talaga kaya, I'm just here, I'm not a doctor. I'm sorry guys, I know some of you message me telling me, help me, ganyan. Lahat ng mga sinasabi ko dito sa video, lahat ng mga videos ko, ito yung mga experiences ko na nag-work sa akin. So, in-apply ko muna sa sarili ko na nag-work sa akin, thinking na it might help others, thinking na makakatulong din ito sa inyo. But of course, at the bottom line, hinihiling ko pa rin, sinasuggest ko pa rin talaga all the time na magpatingin kayo sa doktor, sa mga psychologist. So, kay Yvonne, good job girl, and I'm wishing and I'm praying na sana yung tuloy-tuloy na yung recovery mo, and just be strong. Ganun lang naman yun, just be strong. And of course, siguro sa other video, let's talk about something regarding medications. And kasi for me, kung hindi naman talaga kailangan, kung kaya naman na mag-medications, I'd rather not to. This is the reason why I created this video, kasi ayokong mag-focus talaga sa medications. I want to heal naturally. Kasi as far as I know, may mga side effects and all that. Pero kanya-kanya din naman yun. Depende lang din yun sa inyo. Diba? But, Yvonne, balitaan mo ako ha kung kumusta yung medications mo. And share it dito sa baba sa comments natin para at least pakita naman ng iba yung experience mo at kung paano natulungan ng medications mo and all that. Para at least baka may makabasa, matulungan din siya. Okay? So as you can see naman doon sa subject ng video na ito, talking about your anxiety health. So what I'm trying to say with regards to this topic is that not talking about your anxiety is actually part of the problem. Diba? Kaya maraming nagsusuicide, sorry guys sa trigger term. Kasi most of them, kinikim-kim lang nila. So one way to probably beat the stigma of anxiety or mental health is to speak about it. Just talk about it. And one way probably to help yourself is to speak up. Huwag mong kimkimin yung sarili mo lang. As I've said, huwag nyong i-isolate yung sarili nyo. Go find someone else to talk to. It might be a professional, it might be a family members, or your best friend. Someone who na you can trust to. Okay, so this is very very important, guys, kasi lately kaya nagkakaroon tayo ng mga suicidal tendencies, or kung yung iba na pupunta sa drugs, yung iba na pupunta sa kung ano-ano man, probably because kinikim-kim nila, hindi natin alam, no, but probably because kinikim-kim nila yung problema. So, or hindi naiintindihan ng other people, feeling nila hindi sila naiintindihan ng ibang tao, feeling nila mag-isa lang sila sa laban na ito. Ang laban na to. Sorry, point. So, yun. So, actually guys, hindi totoo yun. Kasi if you go online, as you can see right now, pupunta lang kayo sa Facebook, meron ng mga group, doon, mga tawag dito, mga community, di ba? May mga Filipino community na supporting anxiety, supporting mental health issues. So join kayo doon, or kung may mga nagpo-post doon, message nyo, and then meron din namang mga hotline na para nyo tawagan to talk about your issues. But anyway, I comprises four reason why talking about your anxiety helps. So number one, ito yung tinatawag na, of course, talking about your anxiety allows you to unload, diba? Parang isipin mo na lang, parang kang batya, na parang habang tumatagal, pag sinasa-isip mo lang yan, at ikaw lang lagi, mapupuno ka, and later on you'll realize na nandito ka, mag-isa ka lang dito. Kasi parang kinikim-kim mo lang yung problema mo, kinikim-kim mo kung ano yung mga nararamdaman mo. It doesn't matter kung if it's depression, or if it's anxiety, or if it's health anxiety, generalized anxiety, social anxiety, whatever it is. Kung kinikim-kim mo, talagang mapupuno ka, and you came to a point na talagang maapektuhan na yung buhay mo. You'll always parang pagod, and it consume you, no? You'll burn out so easily. So yun yung mga tao na parang wala feel mo wala na talaga. So I suggest, guys, you find someone na whom you can trust. Yun nga, sabi ko kanina, family members, a brother, a sister, your wife, your best friend, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, or kung gusto mo yung professional, pumunta ka sa professional, a clinician, psychologist, whatever it is. If you want to cry to them, this is very yung topic na kasi ito, you really need someone na may connection kayo, para kasi very parang very critical, very personal. You just actually need someone kasi to talk to. Parang you just need them just to listen, makinig lang sila, and you just have to let it all out, diba? Actually that helps kasi madidistract ka by just talking about it. Ma-unload yung burden mo, and you'll feel better after. Parang gagaan yung pakiramdam mo. That's really true. Ginagawa ko yan if ever na I feel so parang mabigat talaga. It's either I call my mom, I call my sister, or yung partner ko, and I didn't expect them to understand, I didn't expect them to react. All I wanted for them is to listen. And yun, i-share ko lang, and then kung wala naman lang sasabihin, that's okay. And by just listening, they're helping me. Diba? Pangalawa, talking about your anxiety helps you to get to know more about yourself. So, para kasi itong therapy, guys. So, ganun din naman yung gagawin mo. Like, pupunta ka dun sa therapist. Kasi you wanna talk about your issues. Of course, may history yan, di ba? So, iti-trace ni therapist yan kung saan kailan yan unang nag-manifest, yung history mo, para ma-understand niya kung ano yung baggage na dinadala mo. So, by talking about it, somehow, deep inside, you'll learn kung, oo nga pala, no, ito yung nangyari sa akin, kaya siguro ganito yung nararamdaman ko. And at the same time, anxiety is no longer as scary as it was before. Kasi parang naiintindihan mo na kung saan ito nanggagaling. At parang na-understand mo kung ano yung, dapat pala ganito yung gagawin ko. What if parang, by looking at it in a different point of view or different perspective, parang ganon, parang tingnan mo siya sa iba-ibang anggulo. Then later on, alam mo na kung paano mo siya i-handle. Number 3, parang is best practice sharing. So by talking about it to someone na you trust, you allow yourself to pick up their brains. So it's okay for them to listen, but it's okay for them to also give their opinion about your issues, diba? So parang best practice sharing. I know na hindi nila alam o hindi nila masyadong naiintindihan o hindi kasing bigat ng dinadala mo kung ano mo yung mga na-experience nila before. But somehow, there will be something na matutunan ka doon sa taong kausap mo, diba? And it's a good way na rin na parang to have an interaction, to have a connection, diba? And madidistract ka, and makaka-learn ka, you'll get to know that person as well better. And by, connecting this deeper level, parang it will help you and that person na mag-grow yung friendship ninyo or yung relationship niyo as a family or whatever. Diba? So, it is also beneficial. Number 4, talking about your anxiety not only help you, but it also gives you the opportunity to help others. So this is actually one of the reasons, guys, why I'm actually creating this content. When I was just starting with my anxiety, wala akong makitang mga content. So, I know na someone out there, meron ding mga kagaya ko na naghahanap din sila ng someone na yung mga nakaka-relate sa kanila or relatable na feeling nila is someone na they can reach out easily. When I started creating this channel, guys, at first, hindi ko talaga alam kung ano yung channel ko is all about. No? And then I realized when I started creating an anxiety video, doon may mga taong nagre-respond talaga. And then I realized na, bakit hindi ko i-share? Nung time na ako naman yung nagkaroon ng problema ng anxiety, wala akong mapuntahan kasi every time I search online, wala akong mga Pinoy na nakikita sa YouTube. Wala rin ako masyadong mga Pinoy na mga nakikita or may video man akong nakita, but that was like 5 years ago, 6 years ago. So parang ang tagal-tagal na. So nung naka-survive ko naman yung mga years na medyo sobrang hirap for me, siguro it's about time to talk about it. Baka there's someone out there, yung mga especially nasa probinsya na matulungan ko. And nagkatotoo nga siya, no, guys. I'm grateful kasi nung ginawa ko yung mga video ko na ito, parang wala lang, gusto ko lang mag-share. And then later on, nakaka-receive ako ng mga messages, yung mga comments niyo. It's a steady climb yung channel natin. It's not as skyrocketed agad, viral agad. No, hindi naman kasi yung pinaka natin, soul natin kung bakit ginawa natin yung mga videos na ito. But it's a steady climb. Steady lang siya, dahan-dahan. But it's a good thing, di ba? It means na marami ng mga tao na na-reach out nung mga videos na ito. So, in a way, natulungan sila ng mga videos natin. But of course, guys, as I've always said, yung video ko na to is parang hindi siya talaga yung cure. Because as I've said from my previous video na, of course, I'm still having issues. I'm still having an anxiety attack once or twice a week. But it wasn't as before talaga. And yes, Of course, magaling lang na as an adult, di ba? Magaling lang tayong mag-face ng parang gano'n na okay tayo. Kasi gano'n, magaling tayo dyan, mga Pinoy tayo eh. So yun na nga, yung mental health, wala siyang na specific face. So there are people na who are already suffering with mental health issues, hindi mo makikita sa kanila. Merong iba na talagang blatantly na open sila sa kanilang mga mental health issues. I'm not saying this guys para to push you na mag-open up, to go kaagad to someone to talk about it. Of course, depende na rin yun sa inyo. Yung comfortability, kung comfortable na ba kayo, kung kaya ba, kung okay ba na to reach out, ganyan. Kasi merong ibang tao na talagang secretive sila, ganun talaga sila, di ba? But, eto alternatives lang naman ito. Kasi ito yung ginawa ko at it helped me. Na shinare ko like what I'm doing right now. Well, like what I was doing for the past months with my YouTube channel. And it worked. And it helped me. Because, helping others, sharing the story and helping others healed me in a way. Parang nakatulong siya sa recovery ko. Kasi parang therapy ko na rin to Every time na I have issues, I just turn on my camera. Especially, I live alone and sometimes hindi ko naman matawagan si mom, hindi ko naman matawagan si kapatid or si partner kasi they're also busy, especially pag work days. And I live alone and I work graveyard, so busy sila naman, may trabaho na sila ng mga times na yon pag pauwi na ako, so wala akong matawagan, so I'll just turn on the camera and talk to the camera and talk to you guys. It works and it helped me a lot, especially now that you guys are responding, telling me na nakatulong yung video ko, and you're welcome po. You're welcome po. And thank you din po. You're thanking me. I'm thanking you as well. Kasi natulungan din ako ng yung sa mga respond niyo, sa mga messages ninyo, malaking tulong din po yun sa akin. Sorry nga hindi agad ako nakakapag-reply. Pasensya na po kasi I work graveyard and of course I also have a life. I have a lot of things na ginagawa ko rin outside YouTube, I write my novel and I read and mga stuff like that, and of course yung anxiety natin, we're still dealing with our anxiety issues. But you guys, thank you so much for your support. And yung lumalaki, as I've said, lumalaki yung channel natin, but it's a steady climb. And that's good, di ba? That's good. And kung ano pa man yung topic na gusto nyong pag-usapan natin sa channel, or kung ano yung topic na gusto nyong i-tackle ko regarding mental health issues, just let me know. And as I have said earlier, not talking about it is actually part of the problem. But try it. Try to speak up. Try to talk about it to someone you can trust. It might help you and it might help others. Okay ba yun? So guys, good luck and let me know how you're doing and ano pa ba? Hanggang next video na lang ulit. As I've always said, please choose life and please choose happiness. And always, as always, every time you wake up, don't forget to smile. Bye everyone!